G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. Today's April 18, 2023. This is the spot gold price update. On the daily and the 4 hourly, according to the CCI 1500 moving average 400, we're in an upswing, although just be mindful we're broken to the downside on the hourly chart. So let's drill down on each of these. Okay, I've got this key support at 1809 and it's bounced off the resistance at 2047 and it's still moving to the downside ever so slightly. So just got to be mindful of that. I've also drawn this key diagonal, which is way off, but it's in there for the moment. On the 4 hour chart, more closely, I've got these two diagonals, and that's along those key bottoms on those key tops. And it was in that wedge originally, but it's broken out that little wedge. And I've drawn this Fibonacci retracement as well between that high and that low. You'll notice it's currently resting around the 23% retracement. And if the key area to look out for is it could bounce in any one of these areas. It bounce to the upside and continue an uptrend. But the key area to look out for is the 61% level in terms of potential support. Once it breaks through that, we're going to have more further declines. And by that stage, we'll probably see the CCI break to the downside on the 4 hour chart below its moving average. On the hourly chart, that's already broken to the downside on the CCI. And I've got a couple of Fibonacci's here just to demonstrate between that high and that low. It did actually bounce quite nicely off the 61% level, you can see there, and further to the upside. So that's what we look out for. It could bounce at any one of those Fibonacci levels. And the 61% is the key one to look out for. If it breaks below that, then we're looking at further declines. I didn't draw a Fibonacci between that range because you can see there quite visibly it's almost a double bottom between that level there and that level. But what you will notice is I did draw a Fibonacci between that bottom and that high. That's what that Fibonacci shows. You can see there it bounced off the 61% on that level there. So that's a different level of Fibonacci, as you can see there. That was one level, and this is now that wider range is another level. And it's bounced off that 61% and potentially bouncing further to the upside. It could be just a little retracement to the upside before further declines. Now if it breaks through that 61%, as I said, we're going to see further declines, and that may well show us a retracement back to this wider range on the 4 hour chart. And that will possibly show us a further decline on the 4 hour chart. It could, again, say it's bouncing off that level and we may see further advancements to the upside if that continues moving up on the hourly chart. To understand how to properly trade using the average down approach, reference the links in the description below. Subscribe and like us on Patreon to support us more, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.